Telehor Community Hall along Driver Association Lapin Vehicle Owner Association Jengkha Branch Atum Seme Kedeng Pon. Kedamtang Citi Nifai Inkoraner Cap Ani Nijang Karbenglong Arlo Telehor Community Hall along Nijang Karbenglong District Driver Association Lapin Vehicle Owner Association Atum Aphan Seme Kepadeng Pon. Bangso asai Cengcia Prang Jengkha Driver Association asai ahem along Jengkha Driver Association alama Maipu Bilton Ronghang Pen Ingthor Pon. West Karbenglong Driver Association amai phu khorsing phangcho pen mai che phanpu ponsi kedamtang Citi Nifai Truck Arni Jengkha Soil Conservation IB along Driver Association Lapen Owner Vehicle Association seng ponsi arputame chepek pon. Bangso Driver Association Lapen Vehicle Owner Association sengdet aphet puthot patumi Citi Nifai Inkoraner Cap Arni Driver Association mai phu Bilton Ronghang VP Sanjeev Rai Secretary Humsondera Assistant Secretary Boloram Das Finance Secretary Dhon Timung Lapen Kaprek Artpu Kilong Atum Lapen Owner Association Amaipu Joyram Timung VP Elias Durong Secretary Sundar Teron Assistant Secretary Arjun Das Lapen Finance Secretary Moloi Das Atum Driver Association Aron Ateng Pen Arnam Arni Lapen Rap Angno Semi PC Semi Dengpon Bangso Semi Kedengpon along Alohiaman Pen Hamred VDC Chairman Sarsing Timung Harlongsora Lamps Chairman Peter Timung, Jengkha Sport Association Secretary Gautam Tiso, SGB Ruby Singh Terang, SGB Bolaram Thapa, Atung Chetong Don Pen, Labangso Seme Kedeng, Amay Nakmay Ardipidon. VDC Chairman Sarsing Phangcho Pen, Jengkha Long Driver Association Kesing Pon Thek Upon Driver Kedo Anapan, Choro Pajir Pon, Lapen, Driver Atum Driving License Kedo Sikimi, Ate Driver Lo Polotang Te, Tebok Trai Lokle Kedam Nang Jikali, Hello Wing Wing Adim Seta, Dam Nang Ji Mate, Dam Nang Kok Ta Thek, Ateke, Kopai Kelang No Pen, Accident That Mate Chinko Dup, Ahut Seta, License Nang Hang. Lasi, Driver Kedo Anatum Setame, Driving License Kedo Edjiaphan, Sarsing Phangcho Pen, Chuni Repon. Lason si Karbenglong Arab Lapen, Government Lapen Police Atum Tame, Gari Kenang Ji Plote Association Do Etlo. Lasi, Association President Secretary Atum Aphan Contact Non. Lapen Karbenglong Thomas Council along Driver Vacancy Kapaklang Ahut Tame, Nilitum Driver Association Pen Ta Nang Jogdunji Lasi, Nilitum Driver Association Amunit Atum Aphan Tame, Appointment Nang Pipon Nang Jipusi West Karbenglong District Driver Association Chief Observer Pius Timung Pen Chuni Repon. Jengkha Pen Sesong Timung Report Karbidele News
Anu yok PKA along Netum Gachetong Lakato Kove an Hansetame Churolo Lapen Rada Hansetame Pinila Kapaching Dak Pon Alam Gethan Ponji Lahelo Netum Ladak Jengkha Driver Association ke form pen joine Nangletum Radatum Pusetame Mo Chingkhan Chingre Kupine Kenang Sot Do Pulote La President Lapen Secretary Do Alang Letum Han Contact Lote Nangletum Lakato Kove Akisung Kacerap Nang Yang Deng Nang Lian Seta Cerap Heko Lapen ke Police Atum Pusetame Gari Recreation Nang Ji Puseta Ladaka Contact Dia Phan Nang Letum Joy Kepo La Phanta Pachinilo Lapen La Dakedo Driver Atuman Lapen Honor Association Atum Setame Alang Letuman Setame Isipet Kam Kacerap Pen Lakato Kove Pangdang Contact Ji Lapen Rada Phanali Lapen Amethang Phanali Lapen ke Government Phansetame Ali ke Longji Phansi Nitum Labangso Kimang Pen Klem Ponlo Lasi Thelam Chuning Riji Lage Lahelo Dera Keja Tum Pusetame Department Tum Pusetame Driver Kenangji Lipudo Tangte Labangso Advertise Long Nitum Theglong Te Nitum Association Benta Apply PG Labangso Apply Long Gani Tum Amuni Da Phansetame Appointment Ki Pipon Vegji Phansi Lili Driver Association Chief Observer Ahin Ben Chuning Ri Madam